Hey guys, Grant here from Subset Studio Co. Before we get started here, I just wanted to say thanks for checking out this second part of this silly little build that I've got going on here. And for those of you who've been subscribed for a while, thanks for your patience. You know, sometimes life gets in the way and you get busier than you'd anticipated, and that's what's happened to me over the past few weeks. So thanks for sticking with me. Hope you enjoy the video. I'll see ya. All right, friends, back in the garage here working on this sculpture, this piece of garden art that's gonna go in the front of our house. Still not sure about the orientation, whether I'm gonna keep it like this or flip it around and stand it up like that. Pros and cons to each orientation, but for now, what I gotta do is finish all the welds, grind them all down as best I can. And we're not looking for perfection. I've already resigned myself to the idea that this is going to be a fast and dirty project, which means that some of these welds might not be totally flush. The welds themselves have been pretty garbage quality, but enough to hold something like this together, so I don't mind. It's not like this is a piece of furniture. I gotta try to keep things clean through every step of the process. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna finish out the welds. We're gonna use some material that I have laying around the garage to cap all of these pieces, except for maybe this. And then we'll see what to do about my fun little circles. Figure out what to do with these. So let's get started. That is unacceptable. I have to cover that up. There's no way around it. I will know it's there. It has to go. It has to be welded over and ground down again. Frog in my throat. Yeah, that's too far on the side of garbage. I can't live with myself with that weld, so let's hit that real quick. I think I'm just gonna run up each one of these seams. I think that's how we'll mend this. Don't know what I want to do because the whole thing's silly, and once again I'm wondering, why am I doing this at all? But we are going to do it. Here it is, a masterpiece. I think I'm done with it. All I'm gonna do now is go around and clean some of the stuff up. But aside from that, I think it's done. I'm happy with it. Figure out a way to mount it and get it in the front yard. So, cool.